get your reaction to the just concluded judgment?
Well, it's actually a restatement of the position of the law that if you state the grounds or any ground of your petition, the facts and evidence must support it. You should not go outside it. Actually, if you listen to the judgment, you realize that the panel did what they ought to do by dismissing the appeal. It has no merit whatsoever. That's it.
So what are some of the grounds raised by petitioner?
The petition is based on just one sole ground, that the candidate returned and elected did not emanate from the majority of lawful votes cast. So that places the onus on him to state the lawful results and the unlawful ones that would enable the court to say, yes, you ought to have your return. But instead of doing that, they went ahead, corrupt practices and all sorts of things, which are supposed to be facts in support of any other ground. So that is just part of the problem. There are so many other issues the court raised with. And all said that the facts and evidence led, if at all, did not support the sole ground for the petition.